Hello everyone, I am back here again with another video, and in today's video I want to discuss why starting a service-based business in 2023 is the best option as a beginner. So let's get into it. First things first, let's actually talk about what other options are, like not different options. You have different options as a beginner. You can start out with drop shipping, Amazon FBA, etc. But they aren't actually the best options as a beginner, and I am going to discuss it right now. So let's get into it. So basically, Amazon FBA and dropshipping have a high startup capital. Now, why is that? Because firstly, in Amazon FBA, you will have to invest in the actual stock that Amazon actually keeps in their warehouses. You have to invest in those, and that can cost anywhere from $1,000 to $5,000. So that is, if you are broke, that clearly isn't a good option for you. And in dropshipping, you don't actually have to invest in the stock itself, but what you need to do is you need to spend a lot of money on ads. Also is not a good option if you are broke and just starting out, right? Second thing is, in both of those, you get one-time payments. So what I mean by that is you sell one product and that's it, right? Now, in service-based businesses, you get a recurring payment month after month, right? You only have to sell one time, and after that, you get a recurring payment. But in dropshipping and Amazon FBA, you have to continuously sell hundreds and thousands of products for you to make decent money, and they have really low margins, right? Anywhere from 5% to 50%. So let's say you invested $5,000 into dropshipping, right? If you do a good job, you might get 50% profit, but on the low end of that, it is 5% profit, and it isn't very good, right? And in service-based businesses, you only have to sell to 2 to 3 clients, and you are basically at 10k per month, right? Because the prices for service-based businesses fall around 1k to 20k per month. I mean, 20k per month is for if you are experienced and you already know everything about service-based businesses, you can sell to your clients for 20k. But as a beginner, you usually sell for around 1k to 3k per month to your clients. And if you get three of those clients, you are basically at 10k per month, and you are practically a successful business owner at that point. And most of the people in the service-based businesses have around 80% margins, so 80% profits, and that is very good. In service-based businesses, after you've already started to get the ball rolling, for the first few months you will have to do a lot of work to actually provide the services. But after you've made a bit of money, you can outsource your work to other people. So you can basically hire different people for copywriting or Facebook ads or whatever you are doing. So after that, you have a lot more free time, and you can use that free time to build up your personal brand. You can focus on actually building your personal brand, right? So yeah, that is why starting a service-based business in 2023 is your best option. Of course, you can move after you've started out with service-based businesses. You can move into different stuff, like you can start an e-commerce brand after, or Amazon FBA, whatever you want. But firstly, I recommend starting a service-based business, and I've already explained why. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you learned something new. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in next one.